Hey, my name is TJ and this is Befluent.live. I got my eyes on you. Today we are talking about eye contact. Eye contact is important as far as communication is concerned for so many reasons, but the main reason is that it shows that you're confident. So the next time that you're greeting a person, please don't look down, please don't look the other side, please look them into the eyes. But for how long are you going to look into their eyes? For maybe 80% of the time that you're talking to the person or you have a conversation with the person. Can you look into the person's eyes 100%? No. It's not polite to look into a person's eyes 100% because it becomes intimidating. And this action of looking into a person's eyes 100% is called staring. Staring. So if you stare at a person for a long time, the person is going to be surprised, the person is not going to be comfortable. So to stare at a person is not a good idea. But maintaining eye contact for up to 80% is a good idea because it shows that you're confident and you know what you're talking about. Well, let's have some fun with some homonyms, words that almost sound the same as the word stare. To stare is to look at a person for a long time. This is what we were explaining about. So the first homonym is the word stare, which is a set of steps to climb to a higher place, generally in our houses, in our cars, in many different places where you live and where you work. So stairs. I am going upstairs. That's the situation, the word stare. Now, let's go on to the other one. The next word is steer. Steer. It looks as if it's the same as stare or stare, but this one, to steer, means to change the direction of a vehicle. That is to steer. Steer. Okay? And the next word, it's almost close to the word steer, but it is stir. Stir. To stir is to mix a liquid with something that is soluble or with another liquid using a spoon or using a tablespoon or any other apparatus or utensils that you find in the kitchen. So for fun, what are we going to say? We are going to say all the four words. And the four words are stir, stir, steer, stir. Can I repeat that one for you? Stir, stir, steer, stir. Now it's your turn. My name is TJ. Let me hear you say these words because I want you to be fluent.